Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to change our region in Amazon. So the first step is go to your app of Amazon, and you need to go to the superior left corner and in the part of deliver to you. You pick here, and after that you need to put here in management address book. This is the actual direction, but if you want to change that, you pick here, and you need to pick here in add address. So you put here, and you can change the region here, and after that, you need to put your information again, like the phone number, the address, and you put here and add address, and your address is changed. So this is the process. This is a test account, so I don't complete the process. But after you put your information, you put here add address and finish. The address is changed. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.